Welcome back to South African Digital Law. We're looking firstly at the Electronic Communications Transactions Act, and this is to provide for the facilitation regulation of electronic communications and transactions there. So you can always research these a bit further. This act in particular is to prevent the abuse of information systems, to encourage the use of e-government services, and to provide matters connected therewith. Section 45 of this act specifically deals with spam. And therefore, we also move on to the Protection of the Personal Information Act, such as when you're providing websites with your personal information, they have a right to protect your contact details, your demographic information, your history, your biometric information, and so on. Other acts are telecommunications law, patent law, criminal law, the law of ICT evidence, e-commerce, copyright, and IT law, and so on. Data protection law. There's quite a bit of laws out there. In terms of the cybercrimes, you can just look into your model manual, and things that are quite common computer crimes would be fraud, which is identity theft or hacking someone else's personal information. Any kind of scams as well, such as the disaster fraud scams, where you have to donate to a disaster sort of fund that doesn't exist. Computer trespassing, like hacking to people's personal information. And phishing, which is to defraud an online account holder of financial information. Bullying, harassment, and stalking do fall under cybercrimes as well. Cyberbullying can result in another student or another person overall in suicide. And harassment can be blackmail or any kind of discrimination online as a target. And cyber stalking, stalking someone online, tracking them, and so on, all sorts of cyber crimes. Other crimes as well is spam, unsolicited mass emails, pop-ups, anything that can also damage your own personal computer because of spamming to another person, you spamming malware, for example, and that could result in a financial loss. And information warfare. There's a large scale of attacks on computers, websites, and networks where they can result in jamming or hijacking of networks. And there are many other cybercrimes. So as an activity in your lesson plan, you can always Google other cybercrimes and what cybercrimes existed out there that you could discuss as a class. Please look at your recommended reading. There's quite a long list of Digital Millennium Copyright Act, digital rights management and how it works, and the FBI is winning the fight to invade your online privacy. So there's quite a nice bit of additional reading there. You can also look at the digital activities provided and revision exercises available in your model manual. Please complete your VC Learn activities or any sort of other non-VC Learn activities to encourage your learning. You can also discuss with your lecturer any sort of notes or anything you don't understand about this particular part of the work. And remember to take down those notes because the next learning unit is going to be digital security. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.